Hi guys, this is part 3 of my tutorial on how to make a rifle slash sniper. It's quite long, so I'm sorry if you can't see the stuff. Now basically we're making the stock now, so we're gonna have to make a handle, like quite sturdy. I folded up half an A4, and then I folded it up for the handle. Then you can tape it up, and then you get A4, you half that, and then you cut it with your scissors, or you can do like the origami cut, like with your hands and stuff. Yep, so now you're gonna have to, what do you call it? Meditate. No, sorry. Now you're gonna have to make it smaller than this sheet. Now I've already cut it. I would use some scissors and then just cut along, make a little square. So you have to roll it up. And when you check it, make sure it's quite tiny so that it can fit in here. Mine fits good. And you'll do that. Okay, that's pretty good. So, yeah, just take that out. And now, you get your tape, and you tape it up. As you might have guessed. So now once you've done that, you get the sturdy handle that I was talking about, and then you get some more tape with my assistant line with me. And then do that, and then we stick it onto this. But make sure it's on the opposite side that you're going to be loading it in, if that makes any sense. Yeah. So you might want to make it like this, and also get the tape, like another line, pouring down below. Now you basically find the which I can find. Fingers. Now, wait, I find it. Yeah, while you do that, I'll just bunch it. Okay, now you, okay, so now you do that. You just make it quite sturdy, because you're going to have to move this around a lot. If it's not, then you're screwed, basically. Where it's gone. And now you make it more sturdy. Do it over here. And then you should be able to see through there. Yeah, we just saw it there. And now you put it in here. Like I've been showing you. So you put it into the little gap, facing the 3 barrels. So the longer side should be facing the more of the barrels. Get it? Get my gist? And then you basically, oh crap. I need to trim a bit off because mine's stuck, so they just cut like that off. And you just shove it back in. Once again, I'm stuck. Now, oh yeah, now you can, if you're still stuck, like I am, you take it out, you can cut most of this off because you don't really use it that much. And then you shove that back in, and there. So this is where you'll. Can you see that? So you'll put your bullet in here. Just put your bullet in here, and then you'll load that up. Just lock it there, and you'll twist it to the side. So basically, you need to make a slit here, and a slit there. So there's 2 slits there. Then you chop through them. And then you do that. So it's like, it's starting to take shape. So then you do that, put the hammer in, boom. Yeah. My stuff. And now that's the end of part 3. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.